Hello, everybody. We are on week 3, and with week 3 comes change. One thing we've learned during this pandemic is that we all have to learn how to adapt and move forward. It's always important to move forward. So I have been going on and trying to get the video that was required for this, and we couldn't get it out of the library. So on this here, you have a new video to watch, and it's called The Greatest Party That Never Happened. On this, it's about media fraud, and I found it really interesting, and I hope you do as well. I really appreciate my director, Scott Gilbert, for doing that to help you with this. So I'm hoping that you enjoy it. If you cannot get this video, you need to contact me at 413-883-3537. Send me a text, and we'll figure something out. It's on Netflix. This came to you a little late, so I'm giving you extra time. I'm giving you till Sunday night at 11:59 to have 1, your discussion, and 2, your responses. Remember, your responses are 4. All right, so you're going to have till Sunday at 11:59 to have both in without any penalty whatsoever. I hope that helps you on that. Keep in mind, this is only for this assignment, the discussion part of the assignment. Your next assignment that you have that's due this week on Saturday is the boiler room. And that is in there, so you should have no problem getting that video and doing that for 11:59 on Saturday night. Now, it's very important for you to send me an email saying that you got this information. That way there, number 1, I know that you're not going to be penalized for being late on your discussion, and 2, that you know that your assignment on security frauds is due on time. I'm hoping if anybody has any issues with any of this that you would send me a text. Anybody that has worked with me before who has texted me, we've all been able to figure it out because that's what we do. We figure things out. I hope this week finds you safe. I hope this week finds you healthy. And I hope that you enjoy this week's assignment as much as I do. I think this is one of my favorite, especially when we look at media fraud. Now, we have certain people that are saying that media is fake news all the time. Well, are they really fake news, or do they skew it? Or do they forget to put things in there? Or do they put too much? Or do they, when we look at what is fake news and what is not fake news, I'm always doing fact check. I'm always doing snoops. I'm always looking, saying, okay, is this real, or is this, if it seems too good, it's usually not right. So I hope you do the same. I take nothing that I read as fact until I can back it up. So please go to this week's assignment knowing that you can be late for your discussion and you won't be fined or penalized for it until you have till Sunday at 11:59. You do not have until Sunday 11:59 on your security frauds. That must be in on Saturday. Thank you very much. I hope you're all doing well. Bye-bye. Sue Figgy signing out.